Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how I change the needle on my turntable. I've got a Pro-Ject Carbon and I've got an OM10 on the Pro-Ject Carbon at the moment, OM10 needle from Ortofon, and I'm upgrading it actually to an OM20. Apart from turntable isolation and anti-static, really the needle is the most important thing on a turntable. It is what's picking up the track, it's the interface, it's reading the music, and having a bit of a better quality needle is good, but there's not much point going for the best needle on a approximately entry grade audiophile turntable, right? This isn't anything special, so I'm not going to overcapitalize. There's minimal things you can pick up sound-wise from the most expensive needle, but a little bit of an upgrade is going to help. But it comes at 3 or 4 times the price to upgrade it to the 20. But I think the 20 is a really good balance for bang for buck for this particular Pro-Ject Carbon turntable. Well, I've had the OM10 for about 10 years, but it's only done a couple of hundred hours. Max. I haven't played too many records on it, but I am building up a bigger collection, and I did notice it picking up a bit of dust, so I'm hoping that's not, cutting my vinyl a little bit, because I keep my vinyl pretty dust free. So I wanted to upgrade the needle just so it's not damaging my vinyl. So this is how you change the needle out. It's pretty simple, really. So here we go. If we grab the needle, I'll hold the back and we'll grab the needle itself. I'm just going to wriggle it slightly side to side as I pull back with gentle force, and it pops off. So now we've got our new needle, Stylus 20. Unbox that. Out it comes. I did have it out earlier, so there is a little piece of paper on there as well, and we'll get the needle out. That's the needle there. Pull the needle off. Now we can just pop the needle on with this cover so that you don't damage the needle at all. So needle goes on, cover can come off, and now I'm just going to have to slide the needle all the way in. So got the new needle, and hold the back again and just gently wriggle the needle on, and my little OM10 can go into the box. Oh, goes this way. Should really use the stand. There we go. Our old one is on the stand, ready for later. Now, for the Stylus 20, it wants about a needle weight of 1.5, so if I bring the needle over, and then I'm going to make sure that the needle is directly over the 1.5, and I'm going to drop the needle slowly back down again. Alright, so we're still not balanced, need a bit more weight. Drop the needle gently onto the 1.5, and it is balancing. And to show you here, 1.5. So that's how I balance my needle once it's on. So we're perfectly balanced. So I've just upgraded the needle, pretty easy to do really. and hopefully my sound system sounds all the better for it. If you reckon the needle I went for is good, or I should have gone for a better one, leave it in the comments. I'd like to hear your opinion for this particular record player. I'm going to start listening to it tonight and see what it sounds like. But yeah, excited to figure out what you guys think. If you have any other recommendations of needles that might go well on this turntable, let me know. And yeah, subscribe for more audiophile content like this. I'll keep trying to put out some audio videos, although they get less views. But if you put a like on this video, I'll know that you guys are watching them. So cheers, I'll see you on the next one.